Good morning everyone, Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. Just going to give you a quick update here since I planted 2 weeks ago. Not a whole heck of a lot is happening. We have not gotten one drop of rain here in Texas. It's repeating a pattern like last year and I'm getting kind of concerned. However, they say that tomorrow we are expecting 100% chance of rain, heavy rain, and I really need that. I need a soaking, deep down rain. But let's go tour the garden and let me show you what's going on. Not a whole heck of a lot, y'all. Some of my tomato plants had a little difficulty. We did get down in some cold temperatures. We didn't hit freezing, but we got real close. But I think that they're going to be okay. It's a beautiful day here today. It's going to be 81 degrees. On a good note, my raised bed's doing pretty darn good. You can see my carrots are coming up. Lots of them. Excited about that. I do can my carrots. I did a video on that last year. You can go back and check it out. And then you can see my cabbage, my spinach is doing pretty good. I expect these to, especially the spinach, to get real big this week. And I'll start munching on it. We got us a heaping load of mulch. We've already used quite a bit of it back in the permaculture. I'm going to go back there and show you that now. So here's the permaculture. We loaded a whole lot of that mulch in here. You may recall a couple of weeks ago I got in there and pulled all the weeds and then we dumped the mulch in, hoping that this is going to break down, and I know it will, like it did last year. Again, this is a 3 to 5 year project, so it's going to take some time, but you can see where we're at. Here's my apple trees. Look, I got some little apple blossoms on there. They're starting to bud out. There's my other one back there. So as you all know, without rain, not a whole heck of a lot happens. Pray for rain for us. We need it. We're expecting it tomorrow. I need, again, a good soaking rain. The water hose just doesn't do it, folks. But anyway, thank you for your prayers and thank you for watching. We do appreciate each and every one of you. We got a big family barbecue going on here in about 30 minutes. I'm excited to see my family. Anyway, Bertha down at the Rustic Ranch Garden, I'll be checking in with you this weekend. I hope everything's going well with you. Girl, pray for rain for us. You all take care.